Hello guys, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So we are planning to come up with a playlist called common exceptions in Java. And first one is null pointer exception. Okay. So why null pointer exception comes and how we can avoid such exceptions we are going to see today. Okay. So the first thing is like you're working on some object and that is null value been assigned and you're performing some operation on it, then you'll get null pointer exception. Okay, so let me show you something like this. See here I have a bean called student. I have student id, student name. Okay, and I'm setting and I'm trying to print. Everything is fine here. Okay, now let's do one thing. Here st1 is equal to null. I will do. Okay, then here null value been assigned to st1, then I am performing get operation on one of the field. Then what will happen? Let's see what will happen. Since null is there and you are performing some operation on it, it should return a null pointer exception. Okay, let's see whether it will return null pointer exception or not. Currently the build is happening, but we should get that exception. We'll see. Okay, now you could see it is started. Now you could see null pointer exception cannot invoke student dot get student id because st1 is null. Okay, so what you need to do here, not just this is just a printing it, you can do some other operations as well, right? So what you need to do is you simply need to do some null checks, something like this. st1 dot not is equal to null. Okay, so when I do the null check and when I print something like this, then what happens is since st1 is not null, since st1 is null, it will not go inside. That means we don't get such exception. Okay, so let me show you that as well. This is a very common scenario, guys. Okay, so one more suggestion from my side is like, now you could see it's not there, right? One more suggestion from my side is like, let's say here, right? Okay, just put a debug pointer here. Okay, debug pointer here and try to see the value of st1. Okay, then you will understand whether it is null or not. If it is null, then there is something happened in upwards, so that you can keep track of it. Now you could see st1 is null. There you are performing get operation, okay, on top of this object. Obviously it's gonna return the null pointer exception. Okay, likewise you can check. Hope it's useful for you guys. Thank you so much.